These are the DECKTOK under eave permanent lights. These are meant to be installed on the bottom of your eave. For ease of installation, they do come with 3M tape, so you just slap it up there. You could probably leave it that way, but I recommend you do run this screw. Now for installation, you do always want to go a certain distance away from the house. So if it's 3 inches, you want to stay at 3 inches. Make yourself a template, a block or something like that where you hit this against and screw it in. You can easily control it with an app. So right now I have it on a DIY scenery, but I can change it to very easily within the app to whatever color I want. Of course, with this being controlled with an app, I can also bring this into like Alexa apps, Google apps and all that stuff. And I can have these turn on and turn off at a certain time at night, which I think is really nice. The control within the app is really neat because I can have different scenes. All right, so this is like maybe a purple scene for maybe you have a little girl and you have a purple party for her, and you can have the purple. So he's really nice. Comes with a remote. It comes with a inline controller that you might or may not ever use. You do need to plug these into a wall. Between the plug and the first light is 15 feet. Between each light is 20 inches, okay? And you get basically the way it comes, it's 100 feet. So basically it's, 4 bundles of lights. That's how they basically give them to you at like 25, probably 25 feet per, all right? Each bundle of lights is basically its own thing, right? But it's connected in with these weather tight connections here, which are really nice, all right? It locks in, so you're not gonna get any water in or anything like that. These are IPX65, which means basically they can be sprayed with a hose. They're not gonna, break. So yeah, I mean, I don't see any issue. They also come with a remote. They come with all the screws. They also come with extra pads and things like that to help you with installation. These are DECKTOK 100-foot under eave permanent lights for your house. Light up your house. I think it's pretty neat product. I'm out.